The AI era has begun, and among the radical changes came the reshuffle in universities' arts education. This summer, the University of Chicago announced that it was pausing admissions to most of its arts and humanities PhD programs for the year 2026 to 2027 academic, and including classics, comparative literature, Germanic studies, Middle Eastern studies, and visual arts, and etc. One of the faculty members commented that this administration seems ready and willing to deprioritize and downgrade the cultures of the 1/5 of the world's population. Also in August, one of the world's leading institutes with translation and interpretation programs, Middlebury Institute for International Studies and Monterey, announced that it would terminate its residential graduate programs and some of its online programs. For translation, AI has a huge database and super fast algorithm. So in terms of knowledge and efficiency, a human being is becoming disadvantaged facing an AI. This has become a mirror reflecting the challenges to many traditional arts majors. I found that Humanities Forum was held recently in Beijing with 3 generations of scholars, and almost all of them thought that the current evaluation system of arts major is featured with what they call academic industrialization. STEM major students could have more channels to show the value of their studies, while arts major students would be limited to compete for the number of essays and projects with financial foundation support. And this in turn forms the streamlined arts education today, featured with very specific domains for research, with the aim to teach a standardized employee with no value or low value of humanity. And the way out, there have been trials, first new arts major, to restructure arts major by incorporating both arts and science. It's like technology plus philosophy, literature, linguistics, and social science. And second, to re-advocate the importance of field studies. For example, a field study on ethnic minorities in suburban areas would require anthropology, humanity, and statistics. And AI would provide data support and demographic analysis, but it's exclusively for the students to walk into the areas and talk to local people and experience their work life to complete the whole field work. And third, explore more art study areas that need AI. In the past, we had literature summaries for quick learning, but now if AI is applied, a tailor-made reading and abstract covering thousands of books would be possible. The elimination of some arts majors doesn't mean the diminishing domain of arts education. In the end, we are human beings and we need to live with humanity value, human value. And when the whole world is talking about the rise of AI STEM, we need to remember that personal experience is not replaceable.